Codex versus Cursor. Which AI coding tool should you use? AI-powered coding tools are transforming the developer experience. Two stand-up options are Codex CLI by OpenAI and Cursor by AnySphere. Both offer unique features to enhance your coding workflow. Let's go ahead and delve into their strengths and differences. Now, let's start off with Codex. So this is an open source command line tool developed by OpenAI. It brings the capabilities of advanced AI models directly to your terminal, assisting with tasks like writing features, fixing bugs, and understanding code. Pros: terminal integration seamlessly integrates with your command line workflow, allowing for natural language interactions to generate and modify code. Local execution: operate on your local machine, ensuring that your code base remains private and secure. Version control friendly, so this works well with version control systems, enabling you to approve and commit changes efficiently. There are some setbacks, so there is quite a learning curve, so it requires familiarity with command line interfaces, which might be challenging for beginners. There is also limited GUI support, so it lacks a graphical user interface, which could be a drawback for those who prefer visual tools. Now, this is best for developers comfortable with the terminal seeking a powerful AI-assisted coding companion that integrates into their existing workflow. Cursor is a AI-powered code editor built upon Visual Studio Code and enhances the coding experience by providing intelligent code suggestions, explanation, and even edits with a familiar interface. It has an integrated AI assistant, so offers features like code completion, explanations, and multi-line edits directly in the editor. It has a user-friendly interface, so built on VS Code, providing a familiar environment for many developers. It also supports cross-platform, so available on macOS, Windows, and Linux, ensuring broad accessibility. There are some drawbacks. It has resource intensive, so may require more system resources compared to the traditional code editors. And there is also a subscription model, so some advanced features might be behind a paywall depending on your pricing tier. Now, this is best for developers looking for an AI enhanced coding experience with a graphical interface, especially those already using VS Code. So, final verdict, which one should you choose? So, go for Codex if you prefer a command line interface and desire a tool that integrates deeply with your terminal-based workflow, or choose Cursor if you want an AI-enhanced graphical code editor that offers intelligent suggestions and a user-friendly interface. Now, both tools aim to boost productivity and streamline the coding process, so your choice depends on your preferred development environment and workflow.